Hello, class. My name is David, and I'm going to be your teacher today. And we're going to review and go over the game called Beanbag Basketball. And you see it here on the screen. And it's the game of how fast can we get beanbags in the hula hoops, okay? This game can be played anywhere from kindergarten up to sixth grade. I mean, even junior high and senior high would like this game, but it'd probably get pretty competitive. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and describe the game and go over what materials we need. All we're going to need is some hula hoops and a whole bunch of bean bags. And the best thing is to get different color bean bags. And I will show you here. We'll probably get some blue ones and some red ones, purple ones, just different colors. Let's describe the game. I'm going to put you into groups, and I'm going to have a piece of tape down, and you're going to have to stand in a single line behind each tape. So the next thing, you're going to have 4 hula hoops together in the middle of the ball court, and we're going to be doing this on the basketball court. There's 16 of us, so it'll work out pretty good. We'll have 4 people in each group, and 4 groups. Each group will have their own color beanbag. The object of the game is the first team to get, right here, 5 beanbags inside your hoop in the fastest amount of time possible is the winner. What I'll do is I will say go, and he or she, I'll start the timer, and he or she, and the first one in the line, will attempt to throw their beanbag and have it land in a hula hoop. It's pretty simple. We're going to start fairly close to the hula hoop, probably about 10 foot, so it won't be too hard. If the beanbag misses, you leave it on the floor, and the next person in line goes, and it just continues just like that. If you run out of bean bags, the next person in line can run up to the hula hoop and grab a bean bag that's outside the hula hoop, that's their color, run back and get behind the tape and throw it. And the object of the game is to get 5 bean bags in their hoop at the fastest. And when you get done, I want you to come over, tell me your time, and we will write it down. And we're just going to play this the whole time and see if we can beat our time each time we play. And this is kind of what it looks like. We're going to have tape here. And we're going to have people behind the line. We have 4 hula hoops in the middle. And you will have to throw it in your hula hoop. If it goes in the other hula hoop, it will not count, okay? It don't count for the other group, but it won't count for your group. So if you do run out, you can either go get them outside the hula hoop or get one inside the hula hoop. It's a simple game. The fastest one to 5 beanbags in the hula hoop is the winner. And at the end of the class, we'll see who has the fastest time. Let's look at some pictures. Here's some pictures of some kids playing it outside. This game is portable. It can be played outside, inside. You can take it inside of a gym, inside of a classroom that's empty. Pretty much anywhere you have a little bit of space, you can play this game. It's a lot of fun, and I think we're going to really enjoy it. So let's get started. Let me go get the hula hoops and the bean bags. I got them all together, and y'all can help me put them out. And I've got the teams picked out, and we'll get started. Let's go. Thanks.